So hardops in general has received a few improvements. For example, there is a bug under the tooltip for edge split where it would say something about weld. That's been fixed. The menus were kind of lacking in the icon department, so we've started taking efforts into putting more icons on the tools. However, I've been taking personal efforts towards actually cleaning up the menus, so you might notice the menus changing a little bit over the course of the versions. However, I do plan to clean them up in order to help make room for the workflows that I want to add. But in the meantime, I will continue to try to make them as streamlined and efficient as possible, while also making sure that users are able to follow our previous tutorial content without issue. In addition to that, I also mapped a image of the viewport onto this cube because under the Alt V menu, there's now an option for solid texture toggle, which will let you now toggle texture mode in the viewport and toggle it back off in the event that you're needing to model using previous textures that are on a model, like you see me doing here. Right here is kind of a nonsense scenario, but it's there for you. Other things is that under sharpen, the tooltip for weighted normal has been added, so that way users will know that if you're working and you say have a bevel on here, let's actually get this out of textures view, and you start running into shading issues, which I find to happen kind of fast, like right here. You can just alt click sharpen and it'll add a weighted normal on the model, just kind of helping you continue to make it through without running into those pesky shading issues.